So here it is our data for the problem. Two straight lines OA and OB make an angle of 90 degree between them. P is a point 35 mm away from line OA and 50 mm from line OB. Draw a hyperbola through a point P. We will draw a horizontal line of any dimension, and after that we will name the end point of that line by point O and point A. Now from point O, draw a perpendicular line of any dimension, and after that name the end point of that line by point B. As per the given data, P point is 35 mm away from line OA. So with the help of roller scale, draw a parallel line 35 mm away from line OA. Also, P point is 50 mm away from line OB. So with the help of roller scale, draw a parallel line 50 mm away from line OB and name the intersection point of that line by point P and remaining points by point D and point C as shown. After that, we will mention the dimension between line OA and point P, which is 35 mm, as well as we will mention the dimension between line OB and point P, which is 50 mm as shown. Now we will divide line CP into 3 equal parts and line DP into 5 equal parts. After that, we will name the points on line CP by point 1 and point 2. Same way, name the points on line DP by point 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now draw a line passing through point O and 1 and extend that line up to line DP, and do the same for point 2 as shown. Draw a line passing through point O and 3 and extend that line up to line CP, and do the same for the remaining points 4, 5 and 6 as shown. After that, name the derived points by point 1 dash, 2 dash up to point 6 dash as shown. Now we will draw a horizontal line from point 1 up to point 1 dash, and from point 1 dash draw a perpendicular line on it. From point 2 draw a horizontal line up to point 2 dash, and from point 2 dash draw a perpendicular line on it. Now from point 3 draw a vertical line up to point 3 dash, and from point 3 dash draw a perpendicular line on it. From point 4 draw a vertical line up to point 4 dash, and from point 4 dash draw a perpendicular line on it. From point 5 draw a vertical line up to point 5 dash, and from point 5 dash draw a perpendicular line on it. From point 6 draw a vertical line up to point 6 dash, and from 6 dash draw a perpendicular line on it. Now we will name all the derived points by point P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6 as shown. Now with the help of French curve, draw a smooth curve passing through all the derived points. This smooth curve is known as hyperbola. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box.